Looking to turn your creative ideas into real products, but not sure where to start? Poolin EOM, a commercial embroidery machine that's easy enough for beginners and powerful enough for real business. Just a few simple steps. Powered by InStitch OS 4, the Poolin EOM makes even complex embroidery easy. With 15 needles for multicolor embroidery, automatic color change, and automatic thread trimming, let you focus on creating, not babysitting the machine. The large embroidery area makes it easy to handle projects like t-shirts, hats, tote bags, and more. I love watching the machine in action. It's quick. Import your designs via Wi-Fi or USB, directly from your laptop or iPad. Online customization brings creativity into your life. With 62 built-in designs and 5 different hoop sizes, it's all about making everyday items feel personal. Even a small home studio can turn into a profitable embroidery business with the Poolin EOM, and it leaves a lasting impression. Professional engineers will help you solve your problems. And access to the Poolin community with embroidery creators from around the world. Super easy to use. Let the machine do the heavy lifting.